Hey, I'm Laura and I'm here today as T3 Stylist Ambassador to show you how to get the ultimate texture with this bubble wave. So what I do, you hold it pretty tight here between the two pointer fingers, and then I go like this, and then this. So then you get this. The bottom, of course, matters, but you really are ultimately going to see the top layer the most. So each section it's pretty small. So I'll go away from the face and then down. So there you have it. It's really not hard, but the key is you definitely want to keep the ends tight as you're bending, and you also want it at high heat, because if it's at a lower heat, you won't get the marks that you're looking for in the hair.